Click on Windows icon. Open settings. Click on system. Click on sounds. Scroll down and click on volume mixer. Click on reset button. Method 2. Click on Windows icon. Click on settings. Click on system. Click on sound. Scroll down and click on more sound setting. Click on sound. Click on sound scheme to Windows default. Click on apply and click on OK. Method 3. Go to Windows search bar and type services. Scroll down and click on Windows Audio. Click to restart the service. Then click on Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Click to restart the service again. Click on Yes. And the problem is solved. That's it. Thanks for watching.